cool rig. Got the Westphalia. There's more otter footprints. I don't think we want to find an otter den. I don't think otters exactly like it if you disturb them. This is a pretty cool path. It keeps going too. Very tight little path. Hundreds of otter prints. I'm following the path. You said follow the otters, right? You might want to leave your car there for a minute. I don't think I'm going too much further. This is getting pretty tight. This is a really tight path. But we can do it. We just have to duck. I said leave your car there. I'm gonna head right back that way. Here's 2 pufferfish in the water. Just exploring this place is nuts. The water's nice and clear. Not exactly easy going, but it's definitely cool. I was here for 2 minutes. Look at that beauty. Look, he's covering his own eyes. Oh, look. He's camera shy. What a good looking fish. He's changing color too, look. He's getting lighter. Can't fish it.
It's not the same size. Or maybe they just don't get their fish.
Yeah, that might be his full grown size. Oh boy. It's a lot of work making a YouTube video. And that was lunch. So far, this is day 3 here. Fishing is fantastic. Air conditioner is a must. Getting out of here. Well, that's it. We're leaving. We had a great time here. I would recommend this. I'll be back. The fishing's fantastic. The facility's fantastic. Can't ask for anything more. Prices are good. I did the math. It would cost about $800 a month to live here. So keep that in mind. Cheaper than most rent. This is it. Coming out. All right. We'll see you at the next camp. Hitting speeds of 80 miles an hour, keeping up with traffic. My house may be small, but it's fast.